how to easily convert hour to minute in MS Excel. As you can see, we have a list of hours in this column. Now let's convert these hours into minutes. Click on the cell where you want the result. Then type the formula. Now select the cell that contain the hours. In my case, the cell address is E6. Now press enter. As you can see, the hours are instantly converted into minutes. To convert the rest of the value, simply drag the fill handle down and Excel will automatically convert all the other hours into minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorial.